Boom! Hello guys. I'm feeling pretty good today actually. I'm not gonna get overexcited because I had a big setback the other day. You can't even see my face here. But I don't want you to see my face. I'm just doing pit saw work. I'm fixing to clean my garage up. Get rid of junkyard dogs, tires, and get them put up, get everything took off. 4-link took off, fix that, but I want to get everything cleaned up. And to do that, I gotta pick up all these saws and get them cleaned back up. What I was going to talk about just for a second is how I clean my chains. I go through hundreds of chains, guys. I'm sure everybody else does too. And that's probably one of my biggest costs. Even over chains maybe is files. They're like like $1.70 a piece. And I'll go through 2 or 3 files to a chain. Probably. Well, I can't say that because I don't really know. Because I've never just used one file on one chain. But I could try that. But anyway, it's really important to clean your chains. I don't, and I've seen YouTubers wash them and take them off and clean them and wash them. I don't do that. And I get quite a bit of life out of my files actually, as much filing as I do. Because most of the time I'm filing, 24-inch chains, 32-inch chains, and I'm sharpening 3 or 4 saws at a time. So I do pretty good honestly with files, but I go through a ton of them. That's what I'm saying. I'm getting at. That's what I'm getting at. Don't let me ramble. Stop me. But anyway, this is how I do it. I don't clean them with like any kind of detergent or anything. What I do, I'll just get the surface oil off. Of course, you see I flip my bars upside down. I flip my saw upside down. You're not dumb. Nobody's dumb. There's some people dumb, but I'm just because you're on my channel, I really want to keep you. I want to keep you guys. I don't want to be talking to myself all the time, But anyway, whenever you flip the power head over, this is kind of. I'm standing behind it, right? You see the teeth? Let me find the camera. There you are. Alright. You see the teeth? It's just the same as you was leaning over the power head. See? Working corners here. Working corners here. Here. Power head. So it's just the same as you was leaning over the power head. You just don't have to lean over the power head. This is how I do it. I just take a blue rag or shop rag, and I'll run it this way. I'll get it in the gullet, and it kind of flops up there to the top plate too. So you're getting all that oil off. I'll go this way, and then I'll come back this way, just like that. And it gets all that oil off where you're fixing to sharpen. It saves you a lot of time. All right. There you go. And just for routine maintenance, there's nothing wrong with this chain. It's actually pretty sharp, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit it a few licks. That way I know it's been ran. Tristan was running it the other day. So what I do, for routine maintenance, I'll go through and get them 4 licks, make sure the top plate's nice. I mean, I'm looking at the working corners. The working corners are nice. Like I said, it's not dull at all. I mean, I say it cut pretty good. But for my mind's sake, my pettiness with these saw chains, I'm gonna go ahead and get them, make sure they're dead right. And the way I do it may not be the way you do it. But I'll go through this one side at a time. Of course, you can see that. But every once in a while, I'll flip my file. I don't run it in, I don't twist it as I go. I mean, I do sometimes, I have, but it's not really necessary. It's more to keep the file evenly wore. Whenever you twist it, it doesn't really cut any better because your file. If you look at the file, it's already spiraled, so it's designed to twist out the way it's designed. But I'll just flip it every once in a while after a few cuts, after a few teeth. That way I'm not having flat spots on my file or my file being unevenly wore. Back where I started. And this is how I mark my saws. Like most people use a magic marker. Well, I'll just, like I'm fixing to start on this tooth, I'll just run my file across the links, and it'll leave, not like trying to cut it, but it leaves a nice shiny spot right there. When I get back, I'll see that shiny spot, I'll know where I started. So I'm not going to deal with all the marking them with like markers and stuff. That's just wasting my money whenever I can just shine it up just a little bit to the file. Mama. Sorry, Mama. But the reason I do it go one side, stay with one side, and go to the other side is it keeps your mind, it gets muscle memory going. I mean, everybody has muscle memory anyway, right? But I'm just saying, like whenever you start something, you get the routine going, your mind is just flowing in that routine. And I'm looking in I've got my hands right with the pressure on each tooth, so I'll go through one whole side, and my teeth stay real consistent that way on both sides. That's how I do it this way. But I'm really focused on the top plate and the working corner. I know the side plate needs to be done, but the side plate's going to be sharp no matter what. You know what I'm saying? Because whenever you get the top plate and the working corner, you're creating that side plate. All right, there you go, guys. That's how I clean them, and then that's how I just do a routine. I didn't do a how-to sharpen, but I work on one side, do the whole chain. That way I'm focusing on working corner and top plate and the depth and stuff, and I get into a nice routine. You get a feel for that file. You'll get a feel for the hook on the top plate. And then you get a routine going, and every tooth is going to be really consistent that way. You know what I'm saying? Instead of swapping side to side, because a lot of people do that. I actually do that sometimes. That's the way I do it though. Whenever I'm on my vices, I'll just go. Whenever I'm over there on that, I'll swap side to side. It's just different. This right here is just smooth. You just get that tooth and then just keep going. But when I'm on my little work thing over there where I sharpen each individual tooth, that's where the teeth are usually jacked up a lot. So I treat every tooth as the same. So I get them all the same length again, and I clean them all up. So I work different in different areas. All right, hope everybody has a great day. Hope it helps. If it don't, then pay closer attention next time. See you.